You don't have to stress yourself to get the expensive wig that you cannot even afford at the moment. What's up, squad? I'm Crescent Phil. In case you're new here, this is where we do beauty, fashion and lifestyle content. We are going to make our own wig under 200 Kenyan shillings, and without wasting more of your time, let's jump right into it. Our first item that we're going to need is the crochet. This was going for 80 Kenyan shillings. The next one is the mannequin head. This is a fake mannequin head, so free. The next thing is the wig cap, the weaving cap. This was going for 50 Kenyan shillings. To sum up, that was 130 bob. The next thing is hair. So I'm going to be using this pre-used hair. Yeah, you got me right. Pre-used hair. As you saw, guys, I washed it and it's ready for use. And now the job starts. In case you're wondering, this is a DIY mannequin head.
It's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
I previously used this hair to braid. It was short, as you can see. I know I might fail to explain what I'm doing here, but guys, I hope you can see clearly. So I'm going to let you watch what I was doing, and I hope you stick around to see the results. I promise you guys that this wig is worth it. It's worth it.
I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flaws, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, really gonna rise in the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, grow hard, got what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told.
If you're not subscribed yet, I would recommend you subscribe because more DIYs, guys, are coming on the way.
You felt that way, and guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Here I'm braiding the hair, which later I dipped in hot water so that the curls can pop even more when I put it on.
It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
I guess
You're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away, but I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you.
And there we have it, guys. What do you think? Did we do this? Did we do this, guys? What do you think? I would like to know in the comment section. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in our next video.